first met Ray, one of the first things I noticed about her was how kind and how sincere she was towards me.
He that findeth a wife, findeth a good thing.
My eyes honestly couldn't have prepared themselves for when this woman walked down the aisle this morning.
Send me your location, let's focus on communicating, cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. At times I wonder why I fool with you, but this is new to me. This is new to you. Initially, I didn't wanna fall, but you gathered my attention, it was all for you. So don't take advantage, don't leave my heart damaged. To understand that things go a little bit better when you plan it. Oh, so won't you send me your location, let's focus on communicating, cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. I don't wanna fall in love off a subtweet, so let's get personal. I got a lot of cool spots that we can go. Tell me what's the move and I got you. I'm only acting like this cause I like you. Just give me the vibe to slide in. Oh, I might make you mine by the night then.
Ray, you are my inspiration. You are so unique to me. You complete me. My heart is so full, so content. You know, I adore you. We've been through so much together, and we're here now, and I just can't believe it. So I just wanna thank you from the bottom of my heart. Tonight, you know, tonight. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Sorry, Dad. Sorry. Oh, Beleza.
Hey. Tiny. Why say?
Body on this one, oh.
Ain't nobody but that. I don't wanna wait for nobody. I just wanna dance with you, mommy. I put my hands on your body. Don't be scared, don't you worry. I don't wanna wait for nobody. I just wanna dance with you, mommy.